recording.
All right, so we've tried 3 different methods. First, we tried background subtraction electronically by offsetting the DC floors of the amps with a voltage reference to compensate for that. That didn't give us any accurate values. We went ahead and did a mathematical addition of that offset back in after the fact, so that way we could still use the full range of our ADC, but then the values would be more accurate to what was being perceived by the detectors. That didn't work. We removed all background subtraction entirely, and we're allowing the raw signal to pass, including DC offsets, and now we are reading the exact values of our commercial grade scintillometer by Syntec called the BLS 900. And so what we know is that we need to look into this background removal thought process. I suspect we are removing the offset before we are compensating for the gains. We have a gain of 2 on aperture 2, and we have a gain of 32 on aperture 1, which is a difference of 16 because there's a difference of aperture sizes by 16. So I think that we're subtracting too soon in the calculations, and we need to go over this with the professors and show them the data. But as we take data now, we can see here that we're reading roughly right now 1.5 times 10 to the minus 13. And if I go back to the BLS here, I'm logged in remotely, 1.6 times 10 to the minus 13. We're almost dead on with the commercial grade scintillometer. That's what, 10 times, 20 times more expensive than ours. So
20 times.
yeah, so everything looks good. The only thing we haven't accomplished is what happens when you have like sunlight into the detectors. Right now we're kind of shielding everything for our initial trial runs, but without the background subtraction, we're dead on. The values are exactly what the commercial grade scintillometers are putting out. So we'll try some new approaches and compare them and see if we can figure it all out.
All right, I just want to get a picture right here of the signal we have coming in and how they're even with each other right now.
Except for the DC offset because of the gains.